2x squared plus 13x plus 6. We want to solve this quadratic equation. So this is 2x squared plus 13x plus 6. We know the form for quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. And so from here, our a is equals to, our b is 13, and our c is 6. So what is the first step we have to do? So the first step is to multiply a and c, 2 and 6. So we multiply 2 times plus 6, giving us 12. So that's the first step to do. And the second step now is to find 2 factors of 12 that will add up to 13. What do I mean? What I mean is find 2 numbers that when you multiply, it will give you 12. And when you add those 2 numbers, it will give you 13. So if you are to take the factors of 12, we have 1 times 12. We have 2 times 6. We have 3 times 4. So if I take 1 times 12 gives us 12. 1 plus 12 gives us 13. So this works. So we are going to use 1 and 12. So what we now have here is 2x squared plus 13. Instead of writing 13x now, we are going to write 1x plus 12x. So that will be 1x plus 12x plus 6. So from here we can now factorize. What is common here and here is x. So what we have is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1. Sorry, 2x plus 1. So here also, what can we factorize? So we can factorize 6 out, and we have 2x plus 1 also. So from here we take this x plus 6, put it in the bracket, and we take one of these, which is 2x plus 1. So that's that. And how do you know you are right? So this and this must be the same. 2x plus 1 here, 2x plus 1 here, the 2 must be the same. So when you find out that these 2 are the same, you know you are right. So our answer here is x plus 6, 2x plus 1. So that will give us, multiplication of these 2 brackets will give us this quadratic question back. Thank you very much.